Hi, it's Julie. Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make your own custom cushion foundation compact using foundations, BBs, CC creams, even foundation samples that you probably already have at home. A lot of us buy and try drugstore foundations and we might not get the color exactly right? Because you can't test it. So these are great to use and combine with things that you already know. Maybe you have foundations that you use or BB creams, CC creams that you use in the summertime that are slightly darker and the drugstore foundation is possibly too light. So in combining these, or if a coverage is too heavy and you want to go a little lighter, there's so many combinations that you can come up with and really customize and make a cocktail of the perfect cushion compact foundation for yourself. So I want to show you as quickly as I can all of the items that you'll need to accomplish this. So let's get started. You need a mixing dish, a spatula or a small spoon, blunt tweezers, and some clean air puffs. You can use a recycled cushion compact. Make sure you clean it out thoroughly and disinfect it with alcohol. This Mickey one was really cute, but the foundation was just not for me. Or you can buy a new one like I did from MEMEBOX. This one is really cute. It's my cushion. First, you want to figure out what foundations you would like to combine. You can also use samples, which is a great idea. Generally, you want a 2-to-1 foundation to skincare ratio. I did less skincare because I wanted it a little less dewy and a little bit more coverage. You can add an essence, serum, or ampoule. You can also add a little bit of a medium weight moisturizer or gel. You can also add a luminizing product or primer. What you don't want to do is add an SPF or an oil. An oil will separate in the container and will ruin your cushion foundation. Fill 1/3 to 1/2 of the case with your well-mixed cocktail. Use the sponge to soak up any remaining product. Gently press down on the sponge to soak up all the product. I really enjoy the finish of this foundation that I've made. It isn't too dewy, it isn't matte, it's just perfect and I'm really pleased with it. So that's it. I hope you have fun making your own cushion compact. Let me know if you do and what products you use, and I will see you next time.